Welcome to today's video where we're diving deep into the fascinating science of viral content. Have you ever wondered why certain ideas or products spread like wildfire, while others seem to fade away without a trace? Well, today, we're exploring Jonah Berger's groundbreaking book, Contagious, which reveals the secret formula for making content truly contagious. In his book, Berger outlines 6 key principles, known as the STEPPS framework. And guess what? These principles are not just for marketers. They can be applied to almost any idea or concept that you want to spread, whether it's a product, a social cause, or even a personal project. So, what exactly is the STEPPS framework? Well, STEPPS stands for social currency, triggers, emotion, public, practical value, and stories. Together, these 6 elements create the recipe for viral success. Let's break them down and see how they work. First up, we have social currency. People love to share things that make them look good. It's that simple. Think about it. Why do we post that amazing vacation photo or talk about the latest cool gadget? Because it makes us feel special, unique, or in the know. If you can create content or products that give people a sense of status or exclusivity, they're much more likely to share it with others. It's like giving them bragging rights. Next, we have triggers. Ever had a song stuck in your head because something in your environment reminded you of it? That's how triggers work. Triggers are subtle cues in the environment that keep your product or idea top of mind. For example, every time someone mentions peanut butter, you probably think of jelly. By associating your message with frequent triggers, you can ensure it comes up naturally in everyday conversations. Moving on to emotion. People share things that make them feel something, whether it's joy, excitement, anger, or awe. High arousal emotions drive action. Think about the last time you shared a video. Chances are, it sparked a strong emotional response. When creating contagious content, aim to evoke those strong emotions that motivate people to hit that share button. Then we have public. The more visible your idea or product is, the more likely people are to imitate it. We all want to follow the crowd, right? If everyone's talking about something, we feel the urge to be a part of it. Make your idea easy to observe, and you'll increase the chances that people will want to imitate and share it. Now let's talk about practical value. People love to share helpful or useful content. Think about it. How often do you forward a life hack or an article packed with tips that make life easier? If you can offer real practical value in your content, something that solves a problem or teaches a valuable skill, it's bound to get shared. Finally, we have stories. People are hardwired to remember stories. They stick with us, they resonate emotionally, and they're easy to pass on to others. A good story can embed your message into something that's engaging and memorable. Instead of just promoting a product, weave it into a compelling narrative that people want to share. A great story can carry your message far beyond what any traditional marketing campaign could. Remember, one of the most powerful takeaways from Contagious is that word of mouth is more effective than traditional advertising. Most of it happens offline, in face-to-face conversations. When people share ideas naturally, they spread like wildfire. So, by leveraging the STEPPS framework, you can create content that not only spreads, but also sticks with your audience long after they've seen it. Thanks for watching. Now that you know the secrets of contagious content, it's time to put these principles to use. Whether you're marketing a product, a service, or an idea, remember the power of social currency, triggers, emotion, public visibility, practical value, and stories. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into making your ideas go viral. Hit that like button, share this video, and leave a comment about how you plan to apply the steps to your own projects. Let's make your ideas contagious.